Hi, my name is Dylan Dutton, and I am working on the Movie Making Merit Badge. And one of the requirements is to make a movie and teach someone something using the EDGE method. And the EDGE method stands for Explain, Demonstrate, Guide, and Enable, which in the Scouting Handbook can be found on page 53. And that gives you more information on the EDGE method and what it is used for and all that type of stuff. So what I am going to teach you guys how to do is how to tie a square knot. A square knot is a knot to join two ropes together when you need it. And I am facing the opposite direction of you are, so what I do will be opposite of what you do. And just so I be clear, when I say on top, I mean the right goes on top and the left goes on top. It's weird, but it in a way makes sense. I don't understand it yet, but I will someday. So the directions to make a square knot is right over left, left over right. How you do that is you take your rope like this, and you put your right hand under your left hand, or your right end of rope under your left end of rope, and then you pull through, and then you can tighten it like I am to make more rope, or just for fun. And then you do left over right, and then under, you pull through, and you can tell you've made a square knot because one, it'll look like this, and two, if you try and make the two ends of the rope and you try and push them together, your rope will look like this. And also, both ends of your rope are on top. Now, this mistake I'm about to show you is quite easy to make. I make it a lot. I make this mistake a lot. So what happens is you do the same step twice. So I will do right over left, if I can figure out which end. Right over left. I got a knot that looks like that. It looks weird, like a weird knot. What that means is you just simply did the same step twice, and that's basically the only mistake you can ever make. Pretty simple to fix. So what you'll do is you'll take your right step under your left, pull it through, and then you'll take your left over your right, and you'll pull it through, and then you'll pull the two ends away from each other, or tighten it up, and you will get a knot like this. Explain how it's done, demonstrate the steps, guide learners as they practice, and enable them to succeed on their own. My question for you guys is, can you do it on your own?